Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of $28.853, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, full week we have seen it has made a high of around $30.21. After that it came down and made a low, which is a previous low, and then it breaks that particular low and made a low of around 28.703. These points you have to understand and write it down. Okay, so that if the price comes close to this level, chances will be high it can bounce back from this level or a downfall can come. Okay, see, you don't have to take a full rally, you just have to take a part of the rally, so you can make good profit even in a day, even in a week, even in a month. Okay, that will only that around, suppose if the movement is for $2, if you take around 0.53 also with your quantity, you can make a good profit in the future. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, for this particular week we have seen a red candle is forming. Previous 2 weeks we have seen green candle is forming. Silver mostly trades in a zone, as you have seen. This is the zone. As soon as the breakout happens, we have seen upside. This is the zone, breakout happens, now moving, a swing has formed, it is trying to go upside. Okay, this is in the month of 2024 we have seen this. As soon as the range breakout happens, we have seen a new trend is formed. But in 2023 we have seen this is the range. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price keep moving above this particular level, that means if it started going above a level of 29.5, chances will be high a further upside movement we can see, and it can cross a level of 30. Okay, and if it started going above 30, chances will be high it can go towards 32 also. Okay, so keep that in mind. If 30 keeps sustaining, a further upside movement we can see. But if the price started falling again below a level of $28, we can see there will be a further downfall movement we can see. Now, if you, before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link or given in the description, you can join that too. Coming on the dollar index, I've clearly told you that it is trying to go higher. From 3 days there is a continuous upside, but if we go on a week wise, you will see clearly how the price is moving. Okay, for this particular week we have seen it is trying to go upside, but overall trend you can say is downside, and a U pattern is also forming, which is showing a downtrend. Keeping that in mind, you have to understand, suppose if the price started falling below 100.6, we can see there will be a further fall. Okay, and then there will be a trend breakout, so further downfall we can see towards 99.5, which is already being tested. So further fall we can see in the price of DXY. As soon as the dollar index started going down, we will see the price of silver will go up. Similarly, if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of silver will go down. But mostly, sometime what happens, it's a rare case that both moves in same direction. So in that case, you have to put your SL. In these two cases also, you have to put your SL, but SL will help you more in this particular case. Okay, so it will save your capital, and once you start in profit, try to trail it, so your profit will also be saved. Okay, understand something, that if the price keep moving again above a level of 101.5, we can see the dollar index started going upside, but as soon as the price started going below 100.9, a further fall we can see, and it can cross a level of 100.5 also, and then a further low. Okay, now the silver price, let's look at the silver price. Suppose if the price sustain this level, because see, market is uncertain. If you are thinking that I will tell you that it will go in one direction, probability can be there that yes, there is a probability it can come down. Okay, but if it keeps sustaining above a level of around 30 or 29.5, we can see there will be an upside movement. Okay, so suppose, let's see, if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards a level of around 28.6, and this level is already being weak, so chances are high the price will go below this level, and chances of going towards its next support, that is at a level of around 27.4 at this level. From there, here this we can see a level of 27.4, and once started falling below this level, chances will be high it can go towards 27.162. Suppose if the price falling below 27.162, there is a clear pattern forming towards downside, so chances of going towards 26.432 we can see. Okay, because this pattern is supporting this particular trend, so chances can be high a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 25.963 after crossing a level of around $26.431. And once started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see, because there will be a zone breakout. So further fall we can see towards a level of around $25.368. Okay, and if that level goes further low, I'll explain you where it can go. But suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if it sustain this level, we can see it can go towards $29.729. After that, see, because see, we have seen a level of 29. After this level, what it's trading at, we can see a level of 29, and once sustain this level, we can see a level of 29.729. Okay, if the price keep moving above this level, the next level we can see a level of $29.838. Okay, and if that sustain, we will see it can cross a level of $30.199. Suppose if the price sustaining above that particular zone, we can see it will go towards 30.985. Okay, and then a further upside movement we can see to a level of 31.4, which is already been weak. So chances of crossing that level we can see, and then it can go towards a level of 31.9. After that we can see it will go towards a level of 32.5. Okay, and as soon as the price started going on 31.5, we can see a level of 32.5, and then it can make another new high. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.